All right, Kale. You got some bad news. Your bad boy, the physics, can barely see back there.
Oh, what about it? What about that sexy
Uh,
thing?
hate to tell you this, but if you go to Storm's website and you start reading any of the bowlers' news, that ball is discontinued now.
What's going on? We're here in Waukesha for the Waukesha Youth Championships. This is a tournament that is ran by Chris and JBSK and a few others. It's basically like the replacement for Junior Gold, since obviously Junior Gold got canceled and we should be in Las Vegas right now. But we're here in Waukesha, which is a cool replacement tournament, which is, you know, they're going to try and make it their best, and I really do think that's pretty cool. So summary of how this kind of works is that, so first I'm at Foxview Lanes. I'm on squad A or B, I don't know. I'm on a squad, so we bowl at Foxview in the morning, and then later in the afternoon, like around 4, then we go to Sunset Bowl, which that's where the JBSK Fantasy Draft was about 2 weeks ago. This is also a 2-day event, I forgot to mention. The advancers round is tomorrow. I guess I'll have more details on that of how many make it. So I'm gonna head inside, I'm gonna check in, and then we'll go from there.
What are we doing here?
I don't know what your game plan going in.
Setting the question, probably Purple Hammer. Maybe a Crux. We'll see.
Oh no, you going to aggressive?
Resin. Yeah. Unheard of.
Aggressive resin?
Aggressive resin.
Welcome back.
His physics.
Welcome back to Sang an Overseas Ball with Kale Rush. Your host, Kale Rush here. Putting 2,000 on this thing. Probably never gonna use it at this place, but you know.
Too hungry to eat out, too dressed up to stay in. I guess I'll call and ask around to see if someone's in for the win. And we all got different highs, and no one likes to wait. No patience. It's a death dance. We ain't got nothing to lose. Staring up is what we do. And me and mine, we take what we want. We are the colors. And the middle is no way. We are the highway. We are the highway. And we ain't got nothing to lose. Too cool to be bad, too awesome to be cruel. Fast cars don't appeal to us. We run things, don't talk it through. And every day is a victory when we don't have to wait. And no patience. It's a death dance. We ain't got nothing to lose. Staring up is what we do. And me and mine, we take what we want. We are the colors. And the middle is no way. We are the highway. We are the highway. We ain't got nothing to the city lights, max power.
Alright guys, and the first block is done. It was a really roller coaster ride for me. I was either really on or really off. And it's just one of those days, I want to say days, but I still have to bowl later. It was one of those just times where I had something and then it was gone, and it's just really frustrating, and I was all over the place. But I stay mentally in it. I'm out of the cut, but you know, never say never. There's still a lot of frames left and a lot of games left, so we're just gonna go from there. I don't know exactly what I'm at. I kind of just did my sheet and turned it in. So we're gonna go get a bite to eat with Cole, Ian, Robert, you know, all the guys, and yeah, we'll just go from there.
What are we doing? With mine, a set of fries. Hi, Gil.
Get them, you slave. All right, Robert, what do you plan on doing differently? Robert is currently plus 22, and he felt like he threw the ball physically bad. Yeah. So what do you plan on doing differently this block?
No, it's a completely different pattern and house, so
yep.
Just gonna roll with it.
Just restart? Yep.
Restart, new day.
New day.
Yeah.
New afternoon.
New afternoon.
Look at this jack. Thinks he's so cool. Just walk on the approach. Robert getting his house shoes on.
Yes, they are. They cost like $30. All I need to do is plant, so we're good.
The state champion wearing the cheapest shoes.
Yes, by far.
He's like P. Weber.
Picture. You blocked me.
That better not go on there.
That's some good footage.
Dude. All right, now Cole, please explain to me the thinking behind that. We're at a sanctioned youth tournament with some of the best bowlers within the Midwest.
Rob's like, hey, let's record us taking selfies. Good job. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
He just re-racked. Let's see how he does it, folks. That's a bit out. The re-rack does not help.
What's on?
Alright, so I just got done with the second block. I actually went even, I actually went AO2, so I got +2 in the pit ground. I Lando the bowler. Hello there. You all might be wondering, what happened after, you know, the first squad, you know, I kind of struggled a bit, you know, didn't score that much. But the second squad, I go +2, and which is a lot of ground to make up, as well as both houses were very tough. So you might be wondering, So what happened after I went +2 in the second house, and how did I finish? Well, I'll tell you it. I missed the cut by 1 pin. That is right, Riley Schwartz from Fun Lake beat me by a pin. Congrats to him and congrats to all the people that advanced and moved on and made match play and or the step ladder. Good bowling, and I'll give you all a shout out once this video concludes. But at this moment, as Charlie Sheen once said,
okay, where can I hang myself?
Yep, that's pretty much how I felt during that time. Looking back at this weekend though, more specifically my physical game, I did not throw the ball that well at all, and I was fortunate enough to be even close to the cut. I felt like a lot of it had to do with my footwork. I felt like I was rushing myself and kind of put a lot of pressure on myself to where the first squad, I feel like my footwork was just not good at all. But then when I calmed down and relaxed and slowed everything down, I felt like everything kind of like came naturally. Hence why I bowled so good on the second squad. So with that in mind, that's how my weekend went pretty much on this tournament. It's a very, very well-ran tournament. I was fortunate enough to be able to still bowl in it since I'm still youth sanctioned. But at the end of the day, I did not throw the ball that good, and I know what I need to work on from this point out. I was very disappointed in my performance, and although I did not make the cut or move on to match play, I was still happy and rooting out for my friends that didn't make it. But with that being said, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for all the recent support, as well as just the amount of people that come up and ask to be in the vlog and want to be in the vlog. I appreciate you guys so much. I love you all. And hopefully down the road, every one of you that wants to be in the vlog will be in the vlog. So thank you guys so much once again. With that being said, I'm going to end the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video once again. Make sure to like and subscribe, and always follow our news on Bowling Insights with Kale and Tim. Thank you guys so much, and have a great day.